Hi, I'm Lucy from Topaz and today I'm going to show you how to apply these lashes from Lash Lingerie to give this natural effect. Beautiful natural looking lashes that go on in minutes and last for weeks. In your lashes pack you will receive 36 lashes available from the website. A white glue is included and also a spoolie. You will also need some eyelash curlers, tweezers. These are the Lash Lingerie tweezers, which have got a nice curve on them, so that will come in handy later. I'm also using the black glue, which has got a mascara brush, which I find easier for the application. Now we're going to prepare the lashes so they're ready to go straight onto your eyes. You're just going to pick them gently up with your fingers and then grab them with the tweezers, and I like to stick them back onto the sticky strip so you've got them all lined up. I'm using two 12mm on the edges of my lashes, and then I'm using the 10mm lashes as I go towards the inside nearer my nose. So this gives like a really natural effect. These are the lashlings. I don't know if you can see them. They're strong, glossy, they're really good quality. I've used other ones before and they're quite brittle and pokey. These are just really comfortable on the lashes. I'm using 3 lashes on each side, which the box of 36 should give you 6 full sets. You can use more if you like. This side is going to be on my left eye and this side on my right with the longer lash on the edges. Just using a small amount of glue, I'm gently painting the edge of the lashlings to give them all a nice coat of the glue. This is how they should look after you've applied the glue. I did go back and reapply. You just want a nice amount of glue on there, not too much. Next we're curling the eyelashes. You just poke your natural eyelashes through the little gap there and gently squeeze for 10 to 15 seconds each eye. Then we're going to get the spoolie and you gently comb through each set of eyelashes. Make sure they're all facing the same direction, absolutely no makeup on there. Then in with our glue. And here I'm wiping off a lot of the glue, just using a small amount. And you're just lifting the eye and wriggling them into the roots of your lashes. With the white glue, you just dab the roots underneath. Don't brush through them like mascara. You only want the glue on the roots of the lash. Now I'm bringing the eyelash up to the eye, to the edge. That was the 12mm one. Just let it hug a minute and then gently remove your tweezers. That is the first one on. Give it a little boop. Then I'm going on with the 10mm lash, and you just want to get up to the waterline and then pull away about 1 or 2 millimeters, so you're not touching the waterline. Then that way you won't feel the lashes when they're on. Just going on with the third lash now, moving it into place. The glue won't be set for a few minutes, so you can move them round, you can take them off, put them on again if you're not happy. Just spend a little while moving them into position. Get comfy. The effect that I'm trying to achieve is to elongate the face. Like I say, you can use more than 3. You can layer them up. Do whatever you like with them. They're your lashes. If you do get your tweezers kind of stuck to the lashes on the glue, then just really gently open them up and move away slowly. You don't want to whip the lashes off. A little bit of glitter there, did some nails earlier. And they're on, really happy with that. I'm just going to clean the tweezers, make sure they're dry, and then this is the meshing, so you get one arm of the tweezers above, one below the lashes, and you're gently squeezing for 10 to 15 seconds just to make sure they're fused together. Slowly take the tweezers away. And then moving across to the next section, so all the lashes are nicely in position. Moving across to the other side, so holding for a few seconds, being gentle with the tweezers. Ta-da! They are on. Really happy with that. Beautiful, natural looking lashes in minutes. This is the finished effect. Mine can last 2 weeks like this. Some people can go longer. Just purchase from my website. There's lots of different shapes and lengths and other colours as well. Thanks for watching. Enjoy!